Hello guys and welcome to another video, and for this video I will be making a comparative analysis between the types of physical topologies. So let's get started. For the first one we have the P2P or point-to-point topology. So this point-to-point topology is the easiest of all the network topologies, and in this method the network consists of a direct link between two computers. So what the requirement for this is, um, two computers it just interconnects with one another, and the advantages of this one is this is faster and highly reliable than other types of connections since there's a direct connection. There's no need for a network operating system, and it does not need an expensive server as individual workstations are used to access the files. Disadvantages of this is the biggest drawback is that it only be used for smaller areas where computers are in close proximity, or if the devices are it is just used when the devices are clearly near with one another, and also you can back up files and folders centrally. So the next one is the bus topology. So it uses a single cable which connects all the included nodes. So for example, in a computer shop, it is mostly used in some computer cafes. So using a single connection in the middle. Then there are plenty of PCs at its sides. It provides the connection for all the devices. So it serves as a spine for the entire network, and of course one computer acts as the server, and it has two endpoints, and it is called linear bus topology. So the advantages of this bus topology is that its cost of the cable is very less as compared to other topology, so it is widely used to build small networks. Famous for LAN network because they are inexpensive and easy to install. It is widely used when a network installation is small, simple, or temporary. It is one of the passive topologies, so computers are on the bus only listen for data being sent, but are not responsible for moving the data from one computer to others. And the disadvantages, in case of the common cable fails, the entire system will flash down. So once a cable fails, then all the services that is available for all the devices will be gone, and the network traffic will be heavy as many devices use the connection at the same time. And the cables has limited length. And next one is the ring topology. So every device is exactly two neighboring devices for communication purpose. It is called a ring topology as its formation is like a ring. Every computer is connected to another computer. Here the last node is combined with the first one. This topology uses token to pass the information from one computer to another. This topology, all the messages travel through a ring in the same direction. So the advantages for the ring topology, it is easy to install and configure. Adding or deleting a device in ring topology needs you to move only two connections. Failure of one computer can disturb the whole network. Offers equal access to all the computers of the networks. Faster error checking and acknowledgement. Disadvantages, unidirectional traffic. Break in a single ring can risk the breaking of the entire network. Modern days high-speed LANs made this topology less popular. In the ring, topology signals are circulating at all times, which depends on what power consumption, and it's very difficult to troubleshoot. So adding or removing computers can disturb the network activity. So next we have the star topology. In the star topology, all the computers connect with the help of a hub. This cable is called a central node, and all other nodes are connected using this central node. It is most popular on LAN networks as they are inexpensive and easy to install. The advantages for the star topology: it is easy to troubleshoot, set up, and modify. Only those nodes are affected that has failed. Other nodes still work. Fast performance with few nodes and very low network traffic. And in star topology, addition, deletion, and moving of devices are easy. But there are also the disadvantages for the star topology. If the hub or concentrator fails, attached nodes are disabled. Cost of installation of star topology is costly. Heavy network traffic can sometimes slow the bus considerably. Performance depends on the hub's capacity, and damaged cable or lack of proper termination may bring the network down. Bus. Oh, I just ring star is the mesh. For the mesh topology, in this type of topology, most of the devices are connected almost similarly as full topology. The only difference is that few devices are connected with just 2 or 3 devices. So we have the full mesh topology or the hybrid. Then in this topology, every loads devices are directly connected with one another. The advantages for the mesh topology is the network can be expanded without disrupting current users, need extra capable compared with the other LAN topologies. No problem as nodes are dedicated links. Has dedicated links. It has multiple links, so if any single route is blocked, then other routes should be used for data communication. P2P links make the default identification isolation process easy. It helps you to avoid the chances of network failure by connecting all the systems to a central node. For the disadvantages, installation is complex because every node is connected to every node. Dedicated links help you to eliminate traffic problem. A mesh topology is robust. Every system has its privacy and security. It is expensive due to the use of more cables. No proper utilization of systems. Requires more space for dedicated links because of the amount of cabling and the number of input outputs. It is expensive to implement. It requires a large space to run the cables. So we have the tree topology. So the tree topology has a root node and all other nodes are connected which from a hierarchy. So it is also known as hierarchical topology. This topology integrates various star topologies together in a single bus. So it is known as a star bus topology. Tree topology is very common network which is similar to a bus and star topology. Now, the pros and benefits of tree topology. Failure of one node never affects the rest of the network. Node expansion is fast and easy. Detection of error is an easy process. It is easy to manage and update. On the disadvantages, it is heavily cabled topology. If more nodes are added, its maintenance is difficult. If the hub or concentrator fails, attached nodes are also disabled. For the hybrid topology, it combines two or more topologies. You can see in the Mm, so, so as you can see in the, it is a hybrid topology. Is always produced when two different basic network topologies are connected. The advantages of the hybrid topology: it offers the easiest method for error detecting and troubleshooting, highly effective and flexible networking topology. It is scalable so you can increase your network. Disadvantages: the design of hybrid topology is complex. It is one of the costliest processes. So again, we will summarize the topology. So P2P, or the point-to-point, the network consists of a direct link between two computers. So the bus uses a single cable, connects all the included nodes. For the ring, every device has exactly two neighboring devices for communication purpose. And star, all the computers connect with the help of a hub. So the mesh topology has a unique network design in which each computer on the network connects to every other. We have the three topologies of a root node, and all other nodes are connected, which forming a hierarchy. Hybrid topology combines two or more topologies. And that's it for this comparative analysis video, and I hope you learned from what I have said, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.